and please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah, nice to hear that you are doing so many things simultaneously. Even you are, I can say, working and you are doing study as well as YouTube. So many things you are doing, right? You are quite talented. Okay. So yeah, like you have mentioned, there is my name Prarthana. My name is Prarthana. I am from Madhya Pradesh, India, and I am mother of two baby. I have completed my graduation, that is BSc Bachelor of Science, and it's been 1 and 2 3 months. I have been running my YouTube channel as well, and these days I give spoken classes to beginner. So yes, this is all about me.
Wow, that's great. Ma'am, so you are my neighbor.
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm, I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Yeah, yeah, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. It is neighbor. Yes, it is. Recently separate. Before that, it is one
Yeah,
state.
2000, 2002. So at that times, yeah,
It is
like,
separate.
separate. Yeah. So earlier we are both, but now we separate.
Yes. Have you ever been Madhya Pradesh?
To be honest, I never visited in Madhya Pradesh, but I want to visit. Okay, whenever I come, so definitely I meet.
Yes, definitely we will meet. hmm. Because I
Yes.
want to see if you are looking, like that in a camera. So how beautiful, when I see in front of you. So I want to see your face. Yes, definitely we will visit, meet. Right?
Yes, yes, definitely, ma'am. That type's complimentary. I achieve a lot of complimentary. I achieve. I talked 1 week ago. He boys, uh, one guy. Uh, He's in, Hyderabad. He asked Lavanya, whenever you will come in Hyderabad, so you meet me. So I said, yes, definitely I'll visit. Yeah, because I want to see I want to see live.
hmm The beauty you have. So we like maybe that person won't see, front of to you. Yes. So same.
Yes,
I also won't see because sometimes we get like beautiful face, and yes, people say, what do you think? People mostly say, when we compare beauty and intelligence, so we always, give priority to intelligence, right? I
yes,
also for the face skin, it after when we reached a certain level, so it destroy, gradually. But if we have
yeah,
and if we
right.
intelligent, so it never destroy. But somewhere a beautiful face always attract.
Yeah, it's true.
Right.
Yes, ma'am, it's true. But
Hmm.
in my side, I was thinking, in my side, beauty not a matter. You have good, you can say like good nature, and you can say like emotions and kind. You are doing also great. First attract, yeah, people wants to watch beauty, but beauty not matter to good heart. You have also good heart and beauty, so you are the best person. And you have only beauty and you didn't have any good heart, so this is not good right person, I think, in my side. So that's why every day I am suggesting, even I make motivational videos, so at that times I am saying first matter, in our soul.
Right. Right matter. We say we everybody knows. but yet we are attracting to beauty. Recently in Mahakumbh, there is one
Yes,
girl viral, Mona Lisa.
yes,
So
yes,
only only by beauty she viral, right? So
yes.
some.
Her eyes.
She has good face, good. Though her color is dark, but she has good feature. I loved his eyes, and the way she was talking, very I can say, like, she is not knowing anything. Still, people they are bothering her. I don't know why. Even it if.
लेकिन एक सेकंड
Is it right?
So you were talking about UP.
Kumbh Mela.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
you are visited UP?
Actually, I am nearby UP. I am, that border. It is Allahabad, that is Prayagraj. It is border of UP. So here
Okay.
is MP and there is UP. So I am, I'm from Riva and it is attached to Allahabad. So I have been many time. I never counted. I can say I never count how many time I have been there. So many times.
Okay. So, ma'am, you visited also ISKCON temple and even Mathura. So there are big ISKCON temple, Krishna temple, and even you visited the Ayodhya Ram Mandir.
Ayodhya Ram Mandir I haven't visited yet. I'm planning to go. Maybe this year I'll go Brindavan and that Ayodhya. I haven't visited yet. I have been so many places, but not like Ayodhya.
Okay. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but I want to visit it, even Mathura and Vrindavan, and
Mm-hmm.
even I want to visit it, you can say like what Ayodhya temple because Ram Mandir, we are a Hindu, so we interested to go there and yeah, but let's see what happen. I have my bucket list and I really want to visit there. And I have many more places on my bucket list, but in my family, they didn't want to go there and because I'm the youngest one in my family, so that's why I'm you can say like a little bit I'm naughty girl.
But you are looking so sweet and cute. How can I believe that you are naughty?
Little bit I'm naughty, ma'am. But sometimes my papa, my father, he also मेरी बेटी तो मस्त एकदम किसी से डरती नहीं टाइप से because earlier I'm very underconfident, but now I mean you can say like extrovert and like it's straightforward types girl. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How you boost your confidence? Because mostly we see girls these days they have courage to face any challenges, but earlier they was a very shy and underconfident. So how you boost your confidence?
Okay. So really, ma'am, I'm a very you can say like a self-confident girl.
Mm-hmm.
And even sometimes in my side when I have leisure time, so at that time I make my day very productive, and I found new you can say like read book and even learn new things. So that kind of things I thought in my mind, and then I day to day improve my learning also, and what it's good and it's like a bad. So first I choose good, and even sometimes in my side, sometimes I'm feeling low confidence, so I go my father and then I discuss what I will do. So my father also he suggested me, Lavanya. It's we are a human nature, so sometimes we think that kind of thing. So don't think that you can push yourself and then you can do whatever you want to. So that kind of, I am very, you can say like a very productive and very motivated types girl. And because I every day make very productive and engage whole day. I didn't want to even 1 minute. I didn't want to waste my time. So that's
Wow.
why I'm very positive girl. Yeah,
Hmm. Right. See, when we keep ourselves busy with something, so we do not get time for unnecessary things, right? And like you mentioned,
yes,
that books is a very good friend, and
yeah,
we
it's true.
get everything from book. If we make a friend to book, so I can say our all half problem will solve, because we do not get time for thinking unnecessary things, right? And
Yeah,
taking help to father with like parents, it is also one I can say plus point in our just if because they know so many things more than us. They have seen this life more than
yes,
us, so they have knowledge about each and everything, though they are not, we think like sometimes kids they think no no papa and mama they are not thinking like I think, but that is not a true. I believe that parents has, I can say, experience. They have experience more than us. So taking advice from our family, it is also plus point. People can do like that. Right?
yes, yes.
Hmm.
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am, it's true because but nowadays younger they didn't want to talk parents. They wants to talk only friends. So this is
Right.
a bad habit. And what you want to you in your surrounding, like you want to good people, you stay good people. So you have also developed your good habit. And
Right.
people, in your side like a bad people. So obviously you are thinking is bad and unnecessary things. So first you create an environment like good,
Right.
depend on yourself because what you wants to become a good personality and you what you want to. And some people telling, you can say like and regret ourselves. Arey yaar, I am doing nothing and I waste my whole day. So and people they sometimes they regret. But now we are a younger, we have, you can say like we didn't have that much responsibility like you are a married, you have kids also, you have a lot of responsibility like children and husband and even you can say like mother father, lots of responsibility in your shoulder. But in we are not have that kind of you can say like responsibility enough. We have golden opportunity to build our personality, to enhance your body. So don't waste your time. You utilize your time related to what kind of book you want to read and what you want to become a higher. And also you can do and you make your day every day. You can say like a very productive.
Right.
But in our younger, they didn't want to make very productive.
Right, right, dear. Company does affect always. Like if we make our friend, if we make our friend so bad, so just we start converting into like them. So company does affect always, and like you mentioned that girls, boys, they who they are not married, they have enough time to do so many things, but we have lots of responsibility on my our plate like being mother and housewife. We have
Yeah.
seen like recently I went kitchen and turn off gas because I before that I forgot, no, I have put there something. So yes, if they are kids and child, they have enough time, so they can do. Don't I can say waste, kill their time, and just try to
Yes.
do productive, and they can manage, and even we can do anything. I believe that if we think and work for anything, so we can do, right?
Yes. Yes, it
Hmm.
depends on person to person, ma'am. Because you really want to go for a higher study and you really want to immerse yourself and you really want to make your day very productive. So depend on yourself, But nowadays, younger and even elder also waste the whole day. Our you can say like scrolling phone and even go for parties. Nowadays ladies also interested to make kitty party and all. I'm
Right.
not. I'm not thinking. I'm just saying you have quality time, so you spend your find you can say like happiness moment. First, you think in your side, you connect your family and your children also, so you feel motivated, and you read and write also, and you teach your you can say like children, so make like good environment, you know. But nowadays I'm not blaming in society, but nowadays ladies wants to go, make kitty party and fun each other, and they only rest whole day, whole night and day also. I don't know why. I'm not interested to that kind of parties. Once in like 2 3 months, one day you can go like fun and party and travel and visit outdoors. So it's okay. And and every you can say like weekly and even monthly. So it's a full wastage our time. And find you can say like you only find they find only feel good and capturing you can say like picture and reels, making reels like unnecessary wearing dresses and all, but I'm very you can say like I'm very against that kind of unnecessary things. I don't know why. I'm not interested to. Yes, but they wants to. Yeah, I don't know why. And
Yes,
and then come
you know
back.
who, if they are older, like their kids grown up, right? They have enough free time. They can do. I don't feel like that is their life. If they are going outside, they are doing kitty party, some things they can do. But people do here as well. But I don't have time, yaar. Literally, I never did this kind of things. Yes, I see status, and even often I judged by others. She's not coming outside, she's not doing this, she's not doing that, she's not interesting, she's not familiar about with our society. But we if a woman sees working outside as well, as home simultaneously, if she maintaining, so she never get time for these kind of things, I think. But
Yeah.
if they are free, they don't have time, so they are investing their time for doing backbiting and like that.